customers are very happy about Reed tools because they use it for a long time. They know when they invest in this kind of tool, they will keep it ever for life. So when they work in the trench, they are looking for strong products, efficient. It's more outside, so this is where they are considered. So and where the judgment is of the tool, because it's not in the building, it's not in a clean condition. We use in the trench. Most important for customer is the durability of the tool, that they can use it and properly and do what they have to do with the tool in any condition, like warm weather, and in France especially we have different types of climate. In the mountain, in the Alps, under the snow, under the rain, under the sun. So for us also, Reed customer, it's good to know that we can propose Reed products to all customers in our country. For us, it's not only the tool, it's what service you have behind. For end user, it's good also to know that we will supply not only a tool but a complete solution. Like if he gets some difficulties or make some adjustment, or for consumable like wheels, we will be able to give him the best service as possible. We are happy now to be official distributor of Reed.